this is where I'm extra at. So I'm about to go to Target to look for the pink drink. Now they sell it in the store. Now you could just go in there and purchase it and just make it at home or keep it in your refrigerator now. So I'm about to go in Target, see if they have it. I'm gonna cross my fingers. Hopefully they have it when I go in the store, because I've been looking for in the store. So we'll see. So let's just go into Target. So let's hope they have it. Actually, I was looking for the pink drink. What drink? The pink drink. So they do have pink strawberry whipped cream, but I don't know how I feel about that right there. Let me show you. This is it right here. And then the marshmallow. I don't know how I feel about that. And then they have the original. And this is extra creamy right there. But strawberry, I'm thinking about this, but I don't think I'm gonna get it yet. I definitely wanted to try one of these poppy drinks. They have it in raspberry, rose, orange, cherry aid, and grape. I might get all of them because I wanted to try them. Oh, and they have strawberry lemon as well in the bag, so I'm gonna just try them. So the reason why I want to try them because I need to stop drinking soda, so that's why I'm getting all flavors. So let's see if this works. I'm in Target, Deptford, and they don't have anything in here. Oh, I'm so pissed, and they always have everything. This stuff right here, if you have a white couch or anything with fabric, this takes out like every stain. So get this right here. That's really good. So I came in here with just this right here, but I wanted the pool so I could just clean the shower. So I could just reach. We'll see. So they only have one left. Yeah, I got it. Thank you. So this is the one I'm gonna take because they only got one left. And they also have refills. So I'm gonna just get an extra one. never showed y'all what I had got from Target the other day. So this is like 2 days later and I still ain't show y'all nothing. This is my first time picking back up the camera. So what I got from Target is this Hearth and Hand beverage dispenser. I have another one, but it didn't come with the stand, so this is it right here, and it's real pretty. I like the little ridges on here. The next thing I got is this Clorox. This is for the shower. I already have one of these, but I got another one. I like this because, you know, you could clean the shower walls with this, so that's why I like this. I got this to put my dish liquid in because at the current time, this is what I use right here. I'm here for the aesthetic, so I like this. This is like really, really nice right here. Nice white. And then I wind up getting this, Mrs. Meyer's, it's called Compassion Flour. This stuff smells really, really good. So I had got this from there. Then to me, this is new. I've never seen this before. This is the spray weight glass cleaner, but this has lavender in it. It's a lavender scent, so I never seen this before. I normally get the original kind, so this is something new right here. I never had this before. And then I wind up just getting like these poppy drinks right here. I'm trying to stop drinking soda, but this is like a prebiotic soda, so I'm gonna just see. I wind up getting this right here. So I got the raspberry rose, the grape, and then I have the orange and the cherry limeade. So that's what I got. So that was my little Target haul. That's what I got. Oh, and I got one more. I forgot all about it. And strawberry. A strawberry. So these is like prebiotic drinks. But this is it right here. So that's all I got from Target. That's it.
Word, Lord, have mercy.
I keep pausing like I do. I keep pausing like I do. I keep pausing like I do. I keep pausing like you do. All those love emojis, you can get up in between. You're trying to get a piece of me. I can teach you the perfect. Why you looking at me like I didn't really know? Try to if I got the quick, let you be on your knees. You like got it. Oh, you can't get this body. He say he like that lovey. He's so goofy, call me daddy. He goes stupid, he go daffy. Introduce me to his baby. He can never live without me. I'm so real, I never capping. If he got it like that, I can take it down. 'Cause my
What is so big? Word, Lord, have mercy.
I keep pausing like I do. I keep pausing like I do. I keep pausing like I do. I keep pausing like you do. All those love emojis, you can get up in between. You're trying to get a piece of me. I can teach you the perfect. I keep pausing like I do. I keep pausing like I do. I keep pausing like I do. I keep pausing like you do. All these love emojis, you can get up in between. You're trying to get a piece of me. I can teach you the perfect. How to surf a man, how to work a man. It's on purpose, I'm doing it big. Body language like speaking Spanish. I'll educate you how to do this shit. Temporary, that's temporary. I'm necessary. I am that blue. You can't get this body. He say he like that lovey. He's so goofy, call me daddy. He goes stupid, he go daffy. Introduce me.
Listen, this is real life over here. I don't know about y'all, but I do not like folding clothes after I wash them. So these clothes were sitting here for 2 days, like literally 2 days. And guess what? And just like that, it's done. Like it is done. Good morning, you guys. Right now, I'm about to go pick up my grandma. We about to hit the streets as usual. We're gonna go to Ikea, and then I don't know what other stores I have to go to. Oh, I'm missing my other earring. It's in the house. I gotta go get my earring because I can't be in these streets with a missing earring. So I'll be back. So I secured the other earring. I had to go in the house to go get my earring, but I'm on my way to go pick up my grandma right now. Running kind of late, but I'm about to go get her. So I'll be back. So I'll call y'all back because I gotta go get her. Bye. So I'm almost there picking my grandmother up. But I got my caramel water ready. And this is how you know when you're serious about your craft, because you're charging up your batteries before you hit the streets, before you go to the store. So yeah, I got all that with me today and my camera. So I'm on my phone right now. So I mean, the quality is still good, but listen, it's serious. I'm serious with this YouTube thing. But all right, I'll call y'all back because I'm at a red light now, so I'm about to go get my grandma again. So I secured my grandma. Now we're about to head over Philly to Ikea. See y'all later. So I'm back home and I got some packages. I ain't really getting nothing from Ikea. I just took my grandma, but I got some packages in the mail. Remember I told y'all from the last vlog that I wind up ordering some more things from Sephora, but it came in the mail yesterday. So I want to open it with you. I want to open that up with you guys. So we love a good package. So what I got is the Mason Margiela replica, the matcha meditation candle. This is it right here. If you're interested, I just got the candle from them. And then I wind up getting the Donna Karan Cashmere Mist, the deodorant, aluminum free, and it has it on there. They have the regular one, and this is the aluminum free, so this is the one I got right here, you can see. So this is what I have. So then I wind up getting this Refi primer that this face primer everybody been talking about, so I'm glad I got it. But I didn't get it from the Sephora website. I wind up getting it from the Refi website. So if they don't have it on the Sephora, you just have to pay, you know, the money. You're not going to get the discount. So I really wanted to use this. So I'm shucks. And I'm not supposed to open it like that. Crap. I'm always doing something. Darn it. Let me get that up. So I'm back getting up my mess. But the next thing I have got, I wanted it from the website again, but I mean the Sephora website for the sale, but I wound up just going on her website, the Jackie Aina Forever her candles. This is in Soft Life, but I got the small one. This is very small, but it smells so good. It reminds me of like a Christmas smell, very cinnamony, but I like it. And I got it because it says the Soft Life on there. You can see it has the Soft Life, so that's another reason why I had got it as well. But I still like it. So when I, you know, do my spa nights, be on the lookout for this and my other candles. And oh, so for my coffee, I wind up getting this right here. This is so good. Like, go to Walmart, go to Target, and get the white chocolate kind. Like, this is really, really good. I mean, I just put this in a haul because this is something that I feel like you have to pick up. But this smells so good. Like, run out and get this and put it in your coffee. You don't really need that much sugar or honey, but just use this if you want something like really sweet in your drink. But oh, one more thing. I keep saying one more thing. I keep looking on my bed, but this is the Makeup Forever the Step 1 primer. This is like the orange because I'm trying to cover up some of my blemishes on my face. I wound up getting a mark on my face, a pimple, and now it's like I can't get rid of it. So I wind up getting this, and I wind up getting this fade cream, you know, for the dark spots. And then I wind up going to Sephora. I've been had this. Where is it at? I wind up getting this faded the topicals as well. So I've been had this, and I just need to use it more often. But I know this right here works because this is like a old, from back in the day type of product. This is the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula. Results in as little as 2 weeks. So I know this could take it away. And I'm gonna still try this, but I'm gonna try this. I really didn't, you know, put no work in this one, but I'm definitely gonna put some work in this one. But I'm gonna try both of them to get this mark in the middle of my head, my forehead. So the next package I have, I'm excited about this right here because let me tell y'all one thing about me. I'm extra, okay? I'm so extra. All right, so the first thing I got is this Mrs. Stewart liquid bluing. So whitening white clothes safety. So when I be washing like my white sheets, my white towels, it's supposed to get it like white. So this is what I got. And then the next item I got, this is where I'm extra at. So I already got a refrigerator in my room. I had mainly like water, probiotic drinks and things like that. But I wind up getting this from Amazon. So what it is, I'm going to show y'all when I set everything up. But what it is a smart tap water dispenser. So I'm going to go out later and I'm going to get me like a jug or a gallon of water. And I'm going to show y'all how this really works. So I'm excited about this, if you see. But yeah, I'm excited about this. So I can't wait. I'm ready to go out to the store now. I'm ready to go out to the store now and get me a gallon of water. So this is the water machine right here. And I'm going to just get a cup. And I guess you could put it on whatever you want. So I'm gonna just put, if you could see, it's my first time working it, but so I want this one right here. And then and guess what? You don't even gotta go downstairs. Let me tell you something. One thing about me, I'm extra. I'm so extra. Yes. Oh my gosh. Look at the water. So yeah, get this on Amazon. I'll link this below, but this is, I mean, if you got a tall glass, you could just press the buttons here. This is fancy, very fancy. If you know me, I'm extra. So I'm gonna close out this vlog, and again, oh, an update. I did order the Starbucks pink drink on Amazon. They do have it on Amazon, but it'll be here between May 1st or May 3rd. So you will be seeing that drink on this channel. So that's the update. They did not have it in the stores. I looked at 3 Targets in my area. They didn't have it, so I just ordered it on Amazon. Again, I appreciate y'all watching my YouTube videos. Like, I really appreciate it.